Have you ever wondered why your Zomato order takes time to confirm but your cricket score updates instantly? Or why video calls sometimes lag but messages always reach? Today, I'm going to tell you a story about two delivery boys, TCP Bhaiya and UDP Bhaiya. And trust me, after this, you'll understand the internet like never before. Hello, friends, welcome back to the channel. So, imagine the internet like a huge city, let's say Mumbai. And in the city, data needs to travel from one place to another, like when you send a photo on WhatsApp, or stream a cricket match, or download a song. Now, there are two main ways this data travels through TCP or UDP. Think of them as two different types of delivery systems. Let me explain with a story you will never forget. Meet TCP Bhaiya, the reliable delivery boy. Picture this, you order a beautiful cake for your mom's birthday from your favorite bakery. You call TCP Bhaiya for delivery. What does TCP Bhaiya do? First, he calls you. सर ऑर्डर कंफर्म है केक लेके आ रहा हूँ देन ही पिक्स अप द केक केयरफुली checks it, packs it properly. On the way, he calls again. Sir, halfway पहुंच गया हूँ. When he reaches, he calls, Sir, नीचे आ जाओ, केक दे रहा हूँ. You come down, take the cake and say, हाँ भैया, मिल गया. Thank you. Only then TCP Bhaiya leaves. He confirms at every step. If something goes wrong, let's say traffic jam, a wrong turn, cake gets damaged, he goes back to the shop, gets a new cake, and delivers again. No compromise on delivery. This is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Slow, maybe, but 100% reliable. Meet UDP Bhaiya, the speed delivery boy. Now, imagine you're watching India versus Pakistan cricket match. Kohli is on strike, the bowler is running in. You're streaming it live, UDP Bhaiya is handling this job. What does UDP Bhaiya do? No phone call, no confirmation, no checking. He just keeps throwing data packets at your screen. Dhap dhap dhap. One after another, super fast. Sometimes a packet gets lost. कोई बात नहीं. He doesn't go back. He doesn't wait. He just keeps sending the next one. Why? Because by the time he goes back to get the lost package, कोहली का शॉट हो गया और सेंचुरी भी. This is UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Super fast, but sometimes data gets lost. Let me break this down simply. TCP Bhaiya, reliable but slower, confirms everything. मिला नहीं मिला दोबारा भेजता हूँ etc etc. Maintains order. Packets arrive in correct sequence like pages of a book. Error checking. If something is wrong, he fixes it. Used for WhatsApp messaging, emails, downloading files, online shopping, banking, etc. Think of it like a registered post, slow but guaranteed delivery. On the other hand, UDP Bhaiya, fast but less reliable. No confirmation, भेज दिया और ख़त्म. No order guarantee, packets can arrive jumbled up. No error checking. Lost packet, move on. Used for live cricket streaming, video calls, online gaming, live score updates, etc. Think of it like shouting across the street. Fast, but sometimes your friend doesn't hear you completely. Let me give you some everyday examples. Food delivery, When you place a Swiggy order and track it, that's TCP. You need to know your order is confirmed, the restaurant got it, a rider picked it up, and it's at your door. Every step matters. In another example, let's say IPL live score. When you're checking the live score on ClickBuzz, that's UDP. If you miss one update, no problem. The next ball's score will come anyway. Speed matters more than perfection. Let's take another example. WhatsApp message versus WhatsApp video call. Your text message, that's TCP. It must reach correctly even if it takes a second longer. Whereas your video call, that's UDP. You want it live and fast. If few frames drop, chalega. Better than a delayed, a laggy call. Here's the easiest way to remember. When you need it correct and complete, use TCP. It can be used in banking transactions, downloading files, sending important messages, emails, etc. And when you need it fast and urgent, use UDP. It can be used for live streaming, video calls, gaming, voice calls, etc. Now, TCP says, भरोसा रखो, proper delivery दूंगा. UDP says, भाई, speed है तो जान है. So friends, that's the difference between TCP and UDP. Next time, when you're watching cricket live or sending money online, you will know which delivery boy is working behind the scenes. The internet is smart. It automatically chooses the right protocol for the right job. But now you know the logic behind it. If this video helped you understand TCP versus UDP, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment telling me TCP भैया या UDP भैया कौन पसंद आया आपको. And remember, whether slow and steady or fast and furious, both have their place in our digital world. See you in the next video. Bye.